Hello guys, I promise I'm gonna show you how to fix your OBS Black Screen problem, and I'm not quite sure if it's gonna work for everybody, but I'll try to show you how I fix mine. I did a live stream, but I used the window mode. This one, I used the window capture mode, so it was working fine because I was capturing the window. But if you wanna make a live stream on uh, full screen game, it's probably not gonna work. So let's make a new scene and let's say wow, because I'm gonna make a wow, and we select the game capture, and here, well, when I press refresh it normally select the game, but now I have two games open, so it's not gonna work. Let me close this to not take a space, and when we press preview we see a black screen. So what I want you to do is go on settings and look your video and see the video adapter you're using. I had this selected on default, but seems like this is the card that I'm using for gaming. So if you're using a laptop, that might be the problem, so change it. Maybe if you use computers as well, you have some kind of problem like this. I'm not familiar. I haven't used a computer for more than 6 years already, so I'm not quite sure what's happening with the new computers. When you press preview, it should not work. That's the thing that everybody forgot to say. Restart your OBS. So after I restart my OBS and I'm on WoW, of course I don't want to lie and open window mode, and let me remove this because it's useless. I don't want to lie and say, hey, it's work, and I have selected window mode. So I'll select the game capture, and when I press preview, it's gonna be working fine. If that doesn't help for you, try to remove it, or just first make sure you have selected the right game. Then if it's not working, remove it and add again. Game scene. You see, select automatic Black Ops. Then press OK, and when you press preview, it should be working fine. The reason why it's not working is because when I have this one, when I have this adapter, it's not recognizing the games. That's for the desktop and other application, and this is the adapter that's exactly for the games. And when I select it, as you can see, oh, somebody have a birthday. When I select it, when I press refresh, it's okay. Let me add another game capture if it's let me. Yep. It's recognizing the games. As you can see, before it was like I don't know what to select, but now it's recognizing the game. So that's what you want to select, and when you press start, it should work. I want to test it out with the full screen, what I'm doing with the full screen. So I'll make a Call of Duty one. As you can see, I have it open as well, and I add a new scene, game capture, and it will be selected and I will start recording. When you start recording, you should not see it, but I promise you're gonna see it now. So I'm gonna open the screen, and I will stop the desktop recording in order to not close the game again, and I'll show you in a moment. Recording again. You can see I start recording again. I'm still recording the game, and you can see the live stream now, even the game is minimized. So I will stop it, and I will go to my desktop where I have it, and I made it. Ah, that's so cool. So this is no, open the game. That's one of the 100 tests I did, and I will stop the desktop recording in order to not close the game again, and I'll show you in a moment. So I'm maximizing the game now. Opening the game, and now you should be able to see it on the game capture. I'm gonna minimize it, and I'm gonna start recording again. You can see I start recording again. I'm still recording the game, and you can see the live stream now, even the game is minimal. That sounds familiar, right? Because it's working. I have them working. Start again. which I closed, and I'm gonna show you one of the first I did. Show a black screen. I forgot to start the microphone. But when you okay guys, so it's working completely fine. So that's how I fixed my OBS, and I hope it's gonna fix yours as well. If it doesn't work, please leave a comment in description. No, you cannot leave a comment in description. You can leave a comment under description. Yeah. Duh, sorry. So leave a comment on the description and I'll see what I can do about that search a bit more. But I really hope it's gonna help you out. So thank you so much for watching guys and see you next time. Bye bye.